So this one 30, THIR. Ada yang membuat THER masih. Okay, so 31 million and 72,000. So most are able to spell this one correctly. Tapi banyak yang a few yang masih 30-nya salah spelling. So salah spelling no marks. Okay, that one. And then this one kalau pakai measure pakai protector. Okay, pakai protector. Kamu simpan protector sini. Di mana centernya tu? Kosong di mana yang dilihat? Kosong sebelah kanan, sebelah kiri. Sebelah kanan kosong sini. Kamu measure berapa nombor di sini. Kalau lurus measurement kamu, you should get 46. 45 teacher terima. Tu kesian, betul bular matanya. Okay, next one, measure the length of line AB in millimeters. Jadinya di sini 55 millimeters. Okay, midpoint of M, draw a line. Okay, next one, value of reciprocal. Jangan dulu. What do we do with 0.4?
Buat kalkulator saja.
Buat kalkulator saja. Apa yang dibuat kalkulator?
Equals 0.4, lepas tu tekan equal. Lepas tu
Yang teacher reciprocal apa? Terbalikkan. So 0.4 is over 1. So reciprocalnya would be 1 divided by 0.4. 1 divided by 0.4 ni tak payah pakai calculator terus, cuba. 1 divided by 0.4 takkan equal and you will get the fraction.
5
I know that sama. Teacher dah dapat dasar. Another way, if you want to choose to change the decimal into fraction 0.4, kalau pakai calculator 0.4, it would be 2/5, correct? Reciprocalnya would be terbalikkan jadi 5/2. Same thing. Okay, same thing. Okay, next one. Write these numbers in order starting with the smallest. What need to be done first? Change into numbers with the same unit. What do you like to change it into? Percentage. So percentage sini sudah persen. So that one dah payah tukar. And then the rest boleh pakai calculator. 6/7 change into percent would be 85.71%. 8.6 times 10 minus 1.
86%.
Aiman berapa kau buat?
Lupa macam times.
There you go. 11/13 is?
84.6.
Okay. So artinya this one, so setiap nombor tu kamu kali dengan 100 to change into percentage. That means the smallest starting with 11/13 followed by 6/7 followed by 8.6 times 10 minus 1 and then followed by 86.5%, the biggest one. Okay, so yang 84 dulu, lepas tu yang 85, lepas tu 86. Walaupun ia ada dua, lihat dulu yang 86 yang mana yang besar. Okay, no problem with that. Draw all lines of symmetry. Yang nampak sana line. Ada yang membuat aneh. Ani bukan line. Ani apa? Untuk menunjukkan parallel. So bukan line. Artinya di draw line of symmetry. Artinya di mana dilipat yang exactly the same. Artinya boleh lipat sini. Sebelah sini sama sebelah sini boleh bertamu. Di mana lagi boleh lipat? Di tengah.
Vertical.
Horizontal. Yang teacher baru lukis is vertical. So horizontal. Di mana lagi?
Corner. Tengok.
Arah Yes, ada vertex tu, opposite vertex, ada diagonal. Diagonal. Lagi?
Opposite diagonal.
The other diagonal. Okay, the other. So how many lines of symmetry does this have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So actually nya, when it says quadrilateral what quadrilateral is this? It's a square. How do you know it's a square?
Both sides.
How do you know they are equal?
The perimeter area.
Kamu pakai ruler and measure. Cuba pakai ruler measure. Remember what I said? No assumption. So if you use a ruler, you measure sama kan? Then baru tahu it's a square. Then baru dapat lurus melukis all 4 line of symmetry which are all equal. Alright? Okay, so write down the mathematical name of a quadrilateral that has rotational symmetry of order 2. Correct. Actually ada satu lagi Khalid. Sini. Shape. Nama shape. Apa?
Ya kalau dia tidak
Mbak. Okey nanti kamu bagi tahu teacher apa lagi. Kenapa triangle dah dapat diterima? Kenapa triangle? Quadrilateral shape yang ada 4 sides. Okay, next one. The temperature at midnight is minus 4 degrees Celsius. The temperature at noon is 25 degrees Celsius. Work out the difference. So what is suggested tadi? Aiman suggest?
29. Number line.
You draw the number line. Tengah-tengah kosong. Sebelah kanan
Positif
25. Sebelah kiri negatif 4. Artinya berapa dari sini sampai sini? Banyak cara. Sini ada berapa buting nombor? 4 nombor. Sini ada berapa buting nombor? 25. So total berapa buting nombor? 29. Or the bigger number 25 tolak negatif 4. Selalu kan terlupa satu minus saja. So make sure on that one. So this one means 25 plus 4 because negative jumpa negative is positive. Okay. Most of you were able to answer this question correctly. So that's good. So people are learning their lesson on this one. Okay, question number 7. A gardener charges $6.55 for each hour he works, plus a fixed charge of $15.50. Calculate the total amount he charges when he works for 4 hours. So, nombornya tu penting. Ada lagi nombor? Ada lagi nombor? Ada lagi nombor? Ada. Sudah ya cucu garis. Nombor. Nombor. Ada lagi satu nombor. Hour is a number. Nah. Mana satu? Which perkataan represents a number? Amount ni nombor. Nombor bang. Each means
seorang satu.
Each means satu. And then you identify the calculation word that is plus. Lagi? What calculation word lagi yang ada?
Total.
Total. Total means plus 2. Okay. So, $6. So, kita ni write down apa yang dibagi. $6 1 hour. What do we do with this one? Times by 4 hours. Because ia mau kerja for 4 hours. Sini berapa? So, sini times by 4. Artinya sini pun times by 4. So, $6.55 times by 4 is equals to $26.20. Is that our final answer? No, pasal plus fixed charge of $15.50. So your final answer $41.70. Sebab atau if you miss out certain words ni, you might miss out those things that you need to add or multiply. Okay, so be careful. Benda ni teacher dah dapat tolong nada bisikan darah telinga. Baca. Dah ada. Kalau ada lari. Okay. So, sebelum kau dah bisikan di telinga, kamu bisikan saya sendiri ya. Okay. Alright, next question. Jana has $750. He spent he spends a quarter of this money on travel and some of this money on food. He now has $437.50. Work out the fraction of the $750 he spends on food. Number 750, 130, Any other number? Any other number?
No.
Nope. Okay. So tell me what's the story about this one.
Ya ada 750.
Okay.
Ya spend
You are reading the question. Teacher mau bercerita balik.
daripada ya spend 1/4 daripada 750.
Teacher tahu. Ia cakap sana. He has spent 1/4 of this money on travel. Apa ceritanya? Ia ada 750. Apa dibuatnya dengan duit ni?
Spend beli makanan.
Ia bagi, ia spend arah travel and ia spend arah travel and food. Ada lah beh? Ada. So actually sabar. Travel, food. Ini apa? Ataupun balance. Pandai. Okay, the total ni berapa? $7.50. Let me make it into a box that most of you are familiar with. Okay. Okay, itu gambarannya. Apa lagi yang perlu kita ni add sini?
Ya mau arah food saja.
Okay, so food what do I put arah food? Question mark lah Okay. Lagi apa lagi? Travel berapa? 1/4. Apa lagi? Balance-nya. So artinya untuk mencari food, kalau ikut gambaran ni, what calculation need to be done, Mizan? No. Simple saja. Simple saja Mizan. Jangan fikir complicated. Kalau ikut gambaran ni, macam mana cari food? What calculation? Plus, minus, times, divide. Divide, Anyo. Danish? Minus? Apa yang di minus? 750 minus 437, 50 cents saja. Minus minus 1/4. Kan? 750 cents tolak 437 tolak 1/4, you should get this one. However, there's a problem here.
Yung mga fraction. Ada fraction.
Indah dapat tulak. Kenapa Indah dapat tulak? Because ada fraction. Yang ni duit. Ni duit. Yang this one bukan duit. So artinya what should you do? Change to decimal? No. You need to calculate 1/4 tu berapa? Ringgit. And how do you calculate 1/4 tu dengan berapa ringgit? Correct. So 1/4 of times this money. What money? 750. Which is so this one is 187.50 cents. Artinya 750 next step minus 187.50 cents minus 437.50 cents equals to $125. Is this the final answer? No, because kenapa? Yang mau fraction. Fraction of apa? Food. So food berapa tadi? 125. So 125 over
7.
total duit, and then pakai calculator, simplify it, you will get it 1/6. Is there any other way to do this one? Yes. What's the other way? What equation? You tell me. What equation? What Mijan?
Tell us.
Yes, please tell us. What equation are we? What question? What equation? We are already doing an equation. You don't think that we are doing an equation? We are doing an equation. This is an equation already.
Yes.
We solved that one. So what do you mean by the
Equation.
Okay, now this one Tani buat, Tani cari berapa jumlah 1/4 and then subtract and then jadikan fraction. Okay? Now another method, because you're capable, so teacher tunjukkan another method. So you can apply it in any other question lagi ya. Now another method is, instead of teacher tukar travel ke duit, because sini sudah ada fraction, so what I want to do is I want to find the fraction here. So fraction sini macam mana cari? 437.50 cents over 750. Pakai calculator and you get what? Ryan. Bangun Ryan. Belajar Ryan. 7/12. First step. Second step. So Ani menggunakan 2 step saja. I minus. Sini I minus with 750. Tapi kalau fraction I minus with what? The whole thing. Fractionnya is equals to 1. So 1 whole tolak 1/4 tolak. Cuba. Kira Ryan, sama ke Indah? Sama. Which one do you find it simpler? First step? Second? Okay. So second only works if you know how to change the value given into fraction, and you also need to know that the total fraction should be equals to 1. Total probability is equals to 1. Total percentage is equals to 100. Good. Total angle 360. Semua kiraannya sama. Kalau in normal circumstances, yes, cross multiply will help. However, in this case, bukan itu yang ditanya. Okay? So, in this case, other method will be useful. Okay. Ani pun Alhamdulillah. So, biasanya yang masalah ni yang bersusun. So, boleh buat dulu di siring sebelum menyusun. Boleh buat dulu. So macam ni 48. Jadi 48. 44. So arah 4 tambah saja. Okay. Head to tailnya tu 44. So you fill that in 39, 28, 57, 22, 36, 41, 54, 57, 49, 52. Kalau kamu bagi ni saja 1 markah. Tapi sis memandangkan ia 2 markah, di mana 2 markah tu kalau nombornya tu bersusun from small to big. So, yang nombor damit di depan followed by nombor besar. There you go. Baru dapat 2 markah. Okay? Find the median. Median artinya middle, tengah-tengah. So artinya ni 1 sama ujung. First last. First last, first last, first last, first last. Oh, soal ni dah dapat di cancel. So tinggal 2. Artinya mediannya di mana? Berada di tengah-tengah. Antara nombor apa?
44.
Very good. Antara nombor 44 and 48. Bukan 4 and 8. Okay, it's between 44 and 48. So how do you find the middle number here? What do you do? And very good. And if you calculate that one, you should get well done. 46. Okay. We'll just finish this page, okay? Next one, question number 10. What does this mean? Basically, all you have to do is just replace so that you know the numbers that you should subtract are those numbers which are in the same position. So 5 minus 6 minus 1 pakai calculator. Minus 7 minus 7 0. So your answer would be minus 1 0. Ada satu markah melayang? Ada. Okay, this one. These are the first 4 terms of a sequence. 23, 17, 11, 5. Write down the next 2 terms. The next 2 terms. Lapasan ni berapa? Minus 6. So you would find first apa common difference-nya sini. So actually is minus 6, minus 6, minus 6. So artinya 5 minus 6, negative 1. Then negative 1 minus 6, negative 7. 2 markah. As easy as that. Okay. The end term. Lupa end term. Pakai ni. Artinya minus 6 and plus apa? 29. Mana dapat 29? Sini. Sini. Ni. Kalau nombor ni minus 6 dapat 23. Artinya dapat nombor sebelum 23 campur dengan 6 dapat 29. And you can check 29 minus 6 is 23. So minus 6n plus 29, and that is how you get your solution. Okay.